Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a simple beginner friendly eyebrow tutorial. If you've seen my last video, you'd know that, I could get my eyebrows done, but it never really do. If you get what I mean. Or matter of fact, it was overdone. I'll shortly give you a more in-depth look at my brows. I'm very far from the camera now because I feel like I need to be on I feel like I need to be up close unnecessarily, right? We'll take it in strides. But yeah, so I went and got my eyebrows threaded, and I guess she wasn't accustomed to eyebrows as thick as mine. I'm giving her the benefit of the doubt, but yeah, they got really messed up. I'm happy that I documented that experience because yeah, I never expected my story. So when I go in, I would have come out with fleek brows, like better to them come out. No fleek to it, no fleek to the doll. Remember me tell you. It was a case where we were just at the mall and we just decide, hey, what's the eyebrows I do? So we're gonna do our eyebrows. You understand? But that was it. Right? Your brows take a longer while to grow back after having them threaded. And that was also a reason why I wanted to do it. I broke the spoolie, like seriously. Seriously, guys, I broke it. Anyways, we just have to go and work with all we can work with. I just said so. I had to come and get eyebrow stuff to do my brows because yeah, the place packed bad. The time is freezing. I don't know how I did this to myself, but my buy from caramel frappuccino. The time is freezing. The coffee is freezing. But mega eat it off because I forget my money's worth. You understand? Yeah. But yeah, got my products for my brows, so I'm gonna do the video later here. So let's just get right into it. They're coming from Nay to Hey. So you start off with a brown eyeliner. Usually it's recommended to get a medium brown so it's not too harsh. Any brand can be used because literally mine is a MAC, but not make that fool you. A Chinese shop my buy it. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer and it is in the shade Fawn. You're also going to need a spoolie, and that's what blends the brows. This is an angled brush or a concealer brush, and this is what you use to apply your concealer. Now this is a flat brush, and I've had this for years, like from day one. But this is what I use to blend my my concealer in. Yes, so these are the products that I use to get perfect brows. Let's get into it. So you start off by brushing your eyebrows upwards, and you see, you see what I'm going to do? I'm gonna have the eyebrow for brushing now. Stop in the middle of halfway tree. The lady going to herself, man. She cut my eyebrow right in the center. No look a tip, no look a edge. So you go ahead and do the same thing for the opposite side. However, unlike the other side where I never had a tip, for this one I don't have a root. Now look a root, now look a stem, nothing to start off with. My eyebrow just do. Like she just do. You know them way they like she not put no little love into it, it just do. Oh gosh. Watch MAC eyeliner from Chinese shop. Yes, I got this eyeliner for I think $80 at a Chinese shop in Crossroads. Yes, so this is what I'm going to use now to draw my brows on because you have to make do with what you do have. But nothing is impossible with Christ in the vessel. We smile at the storm. Yes, so I'm drawing the arch right? And I'm also filling it in lightly, not too heavily, because I don't want it to be too loud. Because when the concealer goes on, it's going to highlight everything. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to repeat this procedure on the opposite brow. However, I'll be making a brow base, right? So no root not there, so I'm going to create my own root. So as I said before, when you're doing the brows, you apply the eyeliner very lightly because you don't want it to be too loud. So this is me just gradually going in, more medial to the base of the brow. Can you believe that the day after doing my brows, I went to work, I must have been a Philippine or anything, and this co-worker could come to me and say, "Oh, you did your brows?" I said, "Sir, it's if I did ask him how my brows look, I would understand, but I never ask him. The man see me and just suggest my brows them do." So you're going to blend everything in with your spoolie by brushing upwards. So then naturally I'm repeating the same procedure on this side. A quick tip, always ensure that the root of your brows is thinner than the end. So with the concealer, a little goes a long way. So you're going to just smudge it on your brush, and then that's what you're going to use now to line the brow. No, if right now is a person, I never feel glad about the look at eyebrows, so you know. Anyways, you conceal the top of your brow and you're basically outlining it just as you did for the bottom. So just as I said in my previous video, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So anything you do to Mary, you have to do it to Martha. So yes, at this point, it does look thick, but that means you'll have to go back with the concealing. So you're going to have to conceal the brows all over again. This time, however, you're going to go deeper into the brow so the brows look thinner. So this is the final lap of the process, right? So this is where the flat brush comes in handy. You're going to use the flat brush and blend the concealer into the skin, and you're going to blend it in seamlessly by patting and brushing it. And remember, whatever you do to Sister Mary, you have to do it to Sister Martha. Yeah, so the theme of this process is just blending because you don't want any harsh lines. You don't want the concealer to be evident. So you just blend as much as you can. So there you have it. That's how I fixed my brows. And as I said before in my previous video, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. You understand? So this is my effort in fixing my brows. And then it's a very simple and basic eyebrow tutorial. Basic, right? Them can't stop me now. After all the things that we've been through. Them can't stop me